Hello and welcome to Everlance. Today we'll be working to get your work trips after September 1st visible to your company. Let's start by going into our account settings menu in the app. For iOS users, this will be the small green figure in the top left of your screen. Scroll down and tap the Purposes tab. Now, let's unselect all the purposes we might have added on the user side, as these are under the work umbrella, which means that for your privacy, they're hidden from your company. Company set or Teams purposes cannot be unselected, and those will be the ones we want to classify our trips and transactions under. On the iOS system, they're distinguishable from user added purposes, as Teams purposes include the team name on the right and use a briefcase icon rather than a push pin or an income source icon. Once we've completed this step, let's reclassify our past trips by going into the Trips tab on the bottom of the screen. We can individually swipe our past trips to update them, but if we have many, we can also hit the Edit button on the top right of the screen and either select multiple or filter by purpose to reclassify them all in one go. I'll filter by work since those aren't shown to the company any longer and reclassify them under my team's purpose. There, now they're visible to my team. Finally, we'll want to update any auto-classifying features to use the team's purpose so our team can view them moving forward. This will include work hours, auto-classify, and favorite trips if you use those features. After that, we're all done. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support line and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.